Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, I just want to do a little quick update on the silver and gold market. So as you guys know, right, for the last probably couple of days now, or the last few weeks, I've been saying that I'm expecting to see some sort of a pullback out of silver and gold. Well, the pullback has started. Now, I'm not talking about like a complete reversal of trend. I'm just talking about what I've been saying is that I'm talking about looking at the markets as in like where we'd likely to see some sort of a pullback in gold and silver, or silver and gold there. So as you can see, right, we can see that we can see what's happening here with gold. Gold right now is actually starting to slowly pull back right now. And also silver is also starting to get a bit of a pullback as well too, right? So the pullback has actually started through there. If I go down to some of the other main some of the main sort of gold and silver sector as well too, we can go through to here. All right, so let's go through to the SIL, right? SIL been pulling back as well too. SILJ has been pulling back. If we go to the GDXJ, GDXJ has been pulling back as well too. And the GDX is having a small little pullback as well too. So just what I've been expecting, guys, is a bit of a pullback in the gold and silver sector there. Definitely not a crash, or definitely not a complete reversal of trend. It's just the buyers have been pushing this up so much in the last sort of couple, especially with silver and gold, right, for quite some time. Just a little bit of profit taking, a little bit of a pullback, whipsaw, whatever you want to call that. And then that's basically where the market is right now. So I do expect to see that if we do looking at silver and gold. Let's go back to gold here. There is gold. So I do expect to see a bit more of a pullback. But if we have a look at that weekly chart there, guys, I wouldn't expect to see a massive pullback like back down to here. Possibly even just like maybe even a 50% retracement. Would be something, and maybe down to here, maybe even down to here before it finds a bit of support. And in fact, that 50% level is all this level here to this level here are all major support levels. So I wouldn't be too surprised if it did see a pullback towards those levels through there, and then possibly even hold for a while, and then maybe even continue that upward trend. So the pullback has actually started, guys. And once again, looking at this here. But you just don't know how long it's going to be. I do believe this is likely to be very short-lived in the markets with this gold price, and then I do believe we're likely to start seeing a movement up from there. So if you are long-term investing, expect this pullback. Okay, don't be freaked out about it. So, it's just a nice healthy pullback, and we're likely to continue that upward trend. Now, if you're leveraged to the hilt, be smarter, be smart, be calm, and have good risk management as well too, right? Because you just never know what's going to happen in the markets. So, all right, traders, if you haven't done so yet, I've opened up my brand new Traders Secret Weekly, where every single week I'm going to be teaching you and doing live training and coaching to help you become a much better trader, right? Because trading is hard, right? So therefore, that's the reason why I'm doing this live training and coaching. So therefore, every single week I can help you get better at reading the charts. What is the mindset? How to actually understand what the market's doing right now in the cycle of things, and so on and so forth. How I'm looking at the markets and all these different things, answering your questions as well too, every single week. So go to tradersecretweekly.com, or you can see the very first link in the description. Click on that. I'm so confident you're going to absolutely love the training, the bonuses I'm giving away, and my coaching. I'm going to let you try the whole thing out for 1 week free. So click on the very first link in the description below right now. Go try it out for 1 week free. And hey, if you're not happy, let me know, and you'll never be billed. So all the risk goes on my shoulders, and that's how confident I am. So click on the link in the description below right now, and I look forward to seeing you on my next coaching call.